In today's world of metrology, it is common to receive a drawing and a CAD model to perform measurements on a CMM. Unfortunately, it is even more common that the CAD model datum does not match the drawing datum. In this section we will change the datum of a CAD model using Rational DMIS. It is extremely important that MCS is the active coordinate system. If it is not, this function will not work correctly. Firstly, load the CAD model into Rational DMIS. I will do this by dragging and dropping the model into the graphics area. The CAD model will load and display its progress in the status bar at the bottom of the screen. When the model is loaded, it will be displayed in the database. The orientation of the model is not parallel to any of the machine axes and does not correspond to the drawing datums. I would like to change this to replicate the drawing datum. This is achieved by selecting the features on the model that correspond to the primary, secondary, and tertiary datums. Select the pick option icons and click the pin icon to keep the icons displayed on the screen. Using the left mouse button, select the CAD geometry definition icon. Next, left mouse click the top face of the CAD model. A plane is created in the database. Using the CAD wire geometry definition icon, left mouse click a line on the side face. Then click the circle on the top face. Both features appear in the database. Select the coordinate icon from the operation toolbar. From the displayed function icons, select Create CAD. The feature boxes have been automatically populated using the order which they were picked on the CAD model. Using the preview icon, a graphical representation of the new coordinate system is shown. This is not correct. The plane is set to the primary direction, but the line direction needs to change. Y+ should be selected to complete the secondary direction. Lastly, the circle should control the X and Y axis. This is achieved by placing the circle label into the X value. Click Add Active CAD. Now the coordinate system is correct. We must tell Rational DMIS, the new CAD model coordinate system. This is achieved by right mouse clicking the CAD model in the database. Select Set Model Default CAD from the drop-down menu. Do not select Set Model Alignment at this stage. It must be Set Model Default CAD. Accept the message box. The model orientation, relative to the machine, has not changed. This is because the CAD model must now be set to the machine coordinate system. This can be achieved by selecting MCS from the coordinate database, then drag and drop the MCS label from the database to the graphics window. MCS is now active. Set the CAD model to the active coordinate system using a right mouse click on the CAD model label, then left mouse click and select Set Model Alignment. The CAD model is now in the correct orientation as per the drawing datums. If you enjoyed this content, please like the video and subscribe to this channel. Also click the bell to be kept up to date with new videos.